Robinson's Small Jensen of matches and fabulous prizes, sweets, toys for the kids. Alright? And now, before we start, we would like to request first our kids to please rise and join us here for the group picture. There's a baby. Don't worry, Wednesday. How about you? Who are you? Are you the sister? Is this your baby sister? What's your name? How about you? What's your name? Aaron. Wow, I love this. Alright, okay kids, hi! Wow, are you excited for Jollibee? Hi Jollibee!
Love si Jollibee, love! Ay, Ben, ayun o! Ayun o si Jollibee!
Yes, siya ang kaibigan ng lahat, hindi lang ng mga kids. Siyempre kaibigan din ng mga youngsters, ng mga adults. Wow! Alright kids, move backward. After you make a hug to Jollibee,
Ayun
you
na si
can
Jollibee,
move
si Jollibee.
backward na. You can go back. You can go back to your place now after you touch or hug Jollibee,
Oh, apil ka doon!
because they our Jollibee show. Wow! Move backward.
Lakas lahat ng ngipin, sumasayaw sa tuwa. Ganyan ang feeling, nakakatila ang saya. Dito tayo, mas delicious ang tawa. Sa Jollibee na tayo, just delicious sa saya. Sa Jollibee na tayo, wala nang iba. Sa Jollibee, beyond saya.
Dance ka, dance!
Alright, special announcement. So later before we proceed, or before we start our trick or treat activity, so we would like to inform the parents na meron po mga staff, or I'm sorry, wristband from our staff and management of Robinson's Small Jensen, na pakilagay lang po ito, pakikabit lang po sa mga wrist ng ating mga anak po, ng mga bata, before po sila magpunta.
Kaya ang ngiti, di na nga mapakali. Halika na, tara na, doon na nga ang punta. Labas lahat ng ngipin, sumasayaw sa tuwa. Ganyan ang feeling, kapag hindi na ang saya. Dito tayo, mas delicious ang tawa.